There's a clear path to making a vehicle a smaller vehicle that is roughly half the production cost and difficulty of a Model 3. Tesla Model 2 is on the way to become a new symbol in the electric automobile industry with a bold decision to replace stainless steel by aluminum. This breakthrough in design opened a new era for an affordable EV with outstanding efficiency more than 15% and the collision safety feature 30% higher. Tesla Model 2 not only promises to bring great driving experience but also strongly meets the needs of consumers who are increasingly focused on sustainability in the future. This model can be the key for Tesla to continue leading the green revolution at the same time convincing the most skeptical people about the capabilities of EVs. How does this new production technology affect Model 2? EV manufacturers are actively exploring advanced materials that balance price efficiency with essential vehicle attributes. Aluminum has emerged as a popular choice across the industry for its lightweight properties which reduce vehicle mass, improve performance, and extend driving range. For instance, Ford incorporates aluminum in multiple components of the Mustang Mach-E, including the frame and select exterior parts to optimize overall weight and enhance efficiency. Similarly, Lucid Motors uses aluminum extensively in the Lucid Air, and other manufacturers like Rivian with the R1T and A with Elon have adopted aluminum for its lightweight benefits. Tesla is also advancing in this direction by integrating aluminum into the designs of models like the Model S and X. Tesla has not only improved performance metrics but has also reinforced its competitive edge in the evolving EV market. The success of these models can be a great motivation for Tesla to continue using aluminum for Model 2. So how is Tesla's use of this material in the Model 2? So one of the most compelling reasons aluminum is increasingly popular in EV manufacturing is its lower density. Compared to traditional metals like steel, aluminum's 2.5 times lighter than stainless steel, meaning a steel part that weighs 100 pounds would only weigh around 40 pounds if it were aluminum. For EVs, this translates to a reduction in weight. In the case of Tesla's upcoming Model 2, the initial estimated weight of 3,800 pounds could be reduced by over 2,000 pounds through the use of aluminum. Reducing vehicle weight offers several advantages for EVs, beginning with an increase in driving range. Studies indicate that a 10 to 15% weight reduction can extend range by 15%, which could add an extra 30 to 50 m per charge for the Model 2, with Tesla's advanced LFP battery technology already extending the Model 2's range to 310 miles. A charge more weight reduction using aluminum could enhance that to 350 miles, giving drivers more flexibility in their EVs travel capabilities. Another benefit of weight reduction is improved energy efficiency. With a lighter mass to move, EVs require less energy to accelerate, and that lowers overall consumption. Research indicates that a 10% reduction in vehicle weight can improve energy efficiency by up to 8%, meaning savings for drivers. A lighter vehicle is also easier to handle, offering a more responsive and enjoyable driving experience. A lighter car can accelerate quickly, with a Model 2 capable of hitting 60 mph in under 5 seconds. It enters the realm of traditional sports cars. Plus, with this superior acceleration, Model 2 is outpacing its competitors, establishing a safe lead in its class. For instance, while the Chevy Bolt and Nissan Leaf take up to 6 and 1/12 seconds to get to 60 miles per hour, the BMW i3 does a bit better at only 6.4 seconds. The Tesla Model 2's breakthrough and acceleration adds an extra thrill to the driving experience and aligns with Tesla's reputation for producing affordable EVs that don't compromise on speed. Agility. The high thermal conductivity of the material used in this model is another advantage, with aluminum's thermal conductivity around 205, nearly 12 times higher than stainless steel. 16. It allows for more efficient heat dissipation, which is essentially beneficial for managing the temperature of EV battery packs. For EV batteries, maintaining a stable operating temperature is critical to both lifespan and performance. Studies on EVs operating in hot climates where ambient temperatures hover at around 40 degrees Celsius have shown that prolonged exposure to high heat increases the battery's internal resistance, leading to decreased efficiency and capacity. Over time, a battery that starts with a 100 kWh can drop to around 77 after 4 years of use, which impacts both the range and performance. Excessive heat can also accelerate degradation and shorten the battery's life, but aluminum's ability to quickly conduct and dissipate heat can keep battery cells within their ideal temperature range by keeping the battery cool and happy. As some experts put it, aluminum can extend battery life by up to 20%, reducing the need for frequent replacements and providing substantial maintenance cost savings for owners. Over time, a common concern with adopting new materials in production is their cost. As we both know, aluminum can indeed be more expensive than steel on a per kg basis. However, aluminum's cost-effectiveness becomes evident when considering its weight savings benefits, which leads to savings in multiple areas. A lighter vehicle components like brakes and suspension can be designed to handle lower loads, reducing the cost of these parts by up to 20%. Plus, lower energy consumption translates to reduced charging costs, saving owners over vehicle's lifetime. These savings can accumulate to up to $7,000, helping offset the cost of aluminum. Another advantage is reduced maintenance costs. A battery that remains within its ideal temperature range lasts longer and needs fewer replacements, lowering long-term expenses and also reducing the environmental impact. Active disposal for cost-conscious buyers. These savings in energy maintenance and component wear make aluminum an attractive choice, even with its initial higher price. On the other hand, environmental considerations have always been central to Tesla's design philosophy. Using aluminum not only supports EV performance and cost-effectiveness, but also aligns with sustainable development goals. A key factor for many consumers and automakers, aluminum is up to 90% recyclable, making it a more eco-friendly option than steel. Even better, recycling aluminum requires up to 95% less energy than producing it from raw materials, reducing carbon emissions. As a result, a Model 2 built out of aluminum will have a much smaller environmental footprint compared to one made of steel. Additionally, based on the info we gathered, safety ranks as a top priority, accounting for 75% of the decision-making factors when buying an EV. In this regard, the Model 2 meets most of the critical safety requirements. In the event of a collision, aluminum structures are better at absorbing energy, handling up to 30% more impact energy than steel. This absorption capability enhances passenger safety, as aluminum components can crumble to absorb force while maintaining the cabin's integrity. The impact-absorbing quality has allowed aluminum-intensive vehicles like the Audi A8 to achieve top crash test ratings and a 5-star Euro NCAP safety rating. Furthermore, the lightweight nature of aluminum enables better weight distribution, contributing to stability and control, especially in emergency maneuvers. Combined with Tesla's advanced autopilot and full self-driving features, which some studies suggest can reduce accident rates by up to 40%, Model 2 promises a high level of safety for both passengers and drivers. The durability of aluminum ensures that key structural components stay intact during a crash, adding an extra layer of protection. As Tesla's VP of Engineering Lars Moravi recently highlighted the company's deep commitment to safety on X in his post, Moravi emphasized safety is the primary focus for Tesla, noting that the autopilot safety features are always active in every Tesla regardless of FSD use, with the goal of preventing crashes in the event of an accident. Tesla vehicles are designed to offer superior passive safety. Mavi's comments resonated with Tesla owners who shared personal experiences of Tesla's safety. One story included a head-on collision where both a man and his daughter walked away uninjured, and even a tow truck driver noted Tesla accidents often result in minimal injuries. These real-life accounts serve as motivation for Tesla's team. Moravi even prints out testimonials to inspire the staff. Tesla's dedication to safety was further exemplified a couple years back, where a Model Y survived a 250-foot fall-off Devil's Slide with all passengers unharmed. Moravi's statements underscore Tesla's ongoing mission to not just innovate, but ensure that their vehicles protect occupants under the most extreme of conditions. How does this new manufacturing technology affect the production facility of Model 2 next year? Elon himself has also confirmed this high demand for the Model 2, and it said that Tesla is indeed working on a budget EV aimed at mass production. We are working on a low-cost electric vehicle that will made in very high volume. We're quite far advanced in that work. In third quarter, Tesla reported a $20 billion in automotive revenue, and this was part of their total revenue of $25 billion for the quarter. So Model 2 isn't making Tesla turn its back on this segment. Instead, it's rediscovering how to design and build its products for them to be both affordable and attractive. It encompasses better battery technology, lower production costs, and fewer features to stay affordable. You may have heard some whispers that Model 2 has put on an affordable electric car built on a brand new platform, but hold up, Tesla's confirmed that they're pivoting to focus on robotaxi. This little ship has got us all speculating at what else Tesla might have up their sleeve. They plan to blend features from their next platform with their current offerings. Think of them as the more budget-friendly siblings of the Model 3 and Model Y, minus some of the luxury frills, but with all the essential Tesla goodness. This clever strategy is all about making their vehicles accessible to more folks out there. Now, you might wonder why this matters. Well, Tesla's mission is all about speeding up our shift to sustainables, and right now lots of people want to own a Tesla but think the price is just a bit too high. Models like the flashy Model S or Model X, not to mention the already more affordable Model 3, are a bit of a stretch for most budgets. By introducing these new cost-effective models, Tesla's making it possible for a bigger audience to get behind the wheel of an EV, and hey, the more EVs on the road the better it is for the planet, right? It's all about cutting down those carbon emissions. Tesla's taken a hard look at every aspect of its design and manufacturing processes to trim cost while maintaining quality. They're working on exciting new innovations in battery technology, exploring more efficient production methods, and simplifying features in their budget-friendly models. Imagine cars that still pack a punch but come with fewer luxurious extras. Think standardized components that help keep prices down. But wait, there's more. Initially, the Cybercab, a futuristic autonomous vehicle Wasn't meant for individual buyers, but guess what? They've had a change of heart. This vehicle set to ditch the steering wheel and pedals, instead relying on a central touchscreen for all your personal settings. It's all about the passenger experience rather than breaking speed records. Tesla thinks that cracking the cat on autonomous driving will lead to significant economic benefits, which is why they're putting cybercab at the forefront of production, achieving levels 4 or 5 of autonomous driving where a human isn't needed at all is no small feat. Meanwhile, the development of Model 2 is chugging along nicely. Now let's talk about price. Model 2 is expected to be priced at around 25 GS before any government incentives, potentially bringing the cost down to 20K. And that's right, folks, this little marvel is designed to be the affordable Tesla. Tesla is optimizing operational capabilities in Giga Berlin, which is crucial for large-scale production, so they ensure the production of Model 2 works effectively. It's also a prerequisite for Model 2 to be competitive in the hands of customers, benefiting from the cost-optimized high-quality manufacturing processes. Naturally, Tesla's novel manufacturing philosophy will have a significant relationship when it comes to making Model 2 by next year. Tesla wants extremely high demand and an ever-growing addressable market, so it's streaming towards that by emphasizing affordability through NEVERB-used manufacturing techniques and the inclusion of AI. How will Tesla enhance the Model 2 driving experience? Tesla's ambitiously hoping to make and sell 5 million units of the car every year, outdoing even the Corolla and Volkswagen in the global sales charts. The concept is geared with cutting-edge tech and lean, attractive styling elements for buyers to relish in the US, Europe, and the Middle East. Tesla allocate the hatchback to Europe and the smaller one to China, effectively tapping into the unique purchasing power and local demands of each market. Tesla's also just released an entertaining new advertisement to promote the ease of driving one of its premium electric vehicles through its ever-popular test drive program, especially as we look forward to the arrival of the all-new Model 2. That's the message with the video that promises to take Tesla for a spin. Is not just an easy way to see the program, it's a fun opportunity for potential buyers to get behind the wheel of this automobile. As per usual, tell Tesla the process for test driving is a little outside the mold. It says its unique self-serve test drive option lets prospective drivers take a new Tesla model for a test drive without ever having an interface directly with actual salespeople. It means that you'll be able to book your test drive and step into the car and experience with no pressure and enjoy driving the car on your own time. The launch of this new test drive program comes on the wheels of a recent Tesla upgrade, which upgrades the acclaimed Track Mode V3. The powertrain endurance is a new tool aimed at helping Tesla has overcome the strain of side performance and allowing them to maintain peak performance for longer stretches. Track Mode has showcased Tesla's motorsports prowess since its debut in 2018. With Tesla being a battery vehicle, they usually suffer performance loss with heat accumulation under high-energy driving. Knowing this issue, Tesla has been iterating on Track Mode, and the newest tweak gives drivers 3 performance settings to choose from: standard, increased, and maximum. In return, every mode offers a different balance of power and thermal management, allowing drivers the ability to adjust the car's characteristics. Along with these performance improvements, Tesla's closing in on FSD. The long-awaited V13 update is on the way. Tesla's VP of AI software Ashok Ellaswamy has confirmed that the team is hard at work developing features for the unsupervised drive to be deployed in the same time frame as the release of Model 2. FSD V13 is set to introduce many features, including a full-resolution 3036 Hz video input from the AI4 system, a new neural network architecture, and a 3 times the model size and context link. This will further improve the ability of the vehicle to anticipate and respond to its surroundings, boosting performance and accident prevention. Obeying traffic regs and navigating. This update also tweaks a smart summon and enhanced city driving capability, both of which are important for Model 2's broad driving environments. Tesla expects to wide release FSD V13 by the end of the year, coincide perfectly with the time on the launch of Model 2, giving new owners a taste of the latest features in performance and self-driving tech. Also encouraging is Tesla's devotion to updating cars already in the wild. Tesla recently announced that FSD cars built with the older Hardware 3 get free upgrades to the AI4 system for those cars. If Elon's statement that Hardware 3 can't do safe unsupervised FSD turns out to be true, in short, Tesla's cutting-edge innovations, especially when it comes to track performance and complementing the same way in more ways than one by the next-generation autonomous driving capability, make a strong case of the prospective Model 2 as the company gears up for this launch. Customers will experience a high-performance EV with the latest FSD, raising the bar for the automotive industry. Its new Model 2 will serve as the next generation of driving, blending powerful engineering with the future of personal transport. What are your thoughts on Tesla's new manufacturing technology? If you had to choose between new materials and design or sticking with the tradition design of Model 2, what would you choose? We hope you'll experience the utmost relaxation after watching this. If you did, hit that like button and join Tesla Car World by subscribing to our channel. Hit the notification bell icon so you're stay tuned for any fantastic vids that come your way. Your feedback and time are so much appreciated. Thanks for watching. Take care, stay safe, and God bless.